Bodynote is one of the important citation techniques in scientific work. Bodynote is written after the citation is finished. We can create Bodynote in Microsoft Word because it has a feature, but when we want to delete it, it might be a bit difficult. It's difficult because there is no command to delete the Bodynote that we have created. However, in this tutorial I will share with you how to delete it. The method is very easy. Watch this video tutorial until the end to find out how. To delete Bodynote in Microsoft Word, there are several ways that you can use. The easiest is, you can directly click the three dots on the left side, then you can immediately delete on the keyboard. Or you can also place the cursor at the end of the Bodynote, then you press backspace on the keyboard twice. Well, how easy is it? Hopefully this tutorial can be useful for all of you. See you in the next video.